this whole quarantine is such a waste of time. Nothing to do, no one to talk to, and I'm stuck here all day long. I wonder if any of the boys want to hang out before my parents get back from work. I wonder if Liam wants to hang out. There he is. Hey, dude. You free to hang out? I know the whole quarantine thing's pretty serious, but like I'm high and bored, bro. Yeah? I mean, I'll probably have to sneak out because my parents don't want me leaving, but I could probably be there in 20 minutes. Awesome, dude. See you then. I'm just gonna chill till he gets here. God, it took him long enough. Dang, dude. Took you long enough. Dude, don't even start. Like, I'm not even supposed to leave the house. So, can I come inside, or are we just gonna stand here? Yeah, of course. Dude, you can sit down if you want. Well, thanks. I was planning on it, so. So, dude, what have you been up to for the past month? You know, just playing games. What about homework? I've gotten a bunch from school, so. Yeah, I've gotten some, but I haven't really done it yet. What? Why? You know if you don't do it, you're gonna fail. I'll get it done before I go back. I just want a little vacation. I mean, I guess that makes sense. Oh. Bro, do you have any tissues or something? My nose is running. Yeah, bro, hold on. Oh, there they are. Here they are, dude. Thanks, bro. Just toss them over. Yeah, bro. No problem. Thanks. Get out of my house now. Okay. I'm keeping the tissues though.